stuff. This one 7 days. This one we talked about it last week. Then Alan, so some pull requests we merged on Thursday. I don't remember we merged this one on Thursday because it was Daniel who merged it. Interesting. So this one, it was about rendering in the recipe of the export, rendering the tags even if the fields were empty, because at some point there was some optimization to not render the tags if the fields were empty, but empty value is a value. So we need to revert that. So Alan fixed it and Daniel approved it, which is good. Then merged 110x into dev, good. This one, adding missing project dependency for Orchard.Glimps. So missing project dependency. Okay. I assume to build Glimps when you build the solution. This one, oh yes, Daniel was supposed to do a demo. But he's not here. Recipe description didn't match selected one. Siaman, we talked about it on Thursday. There was a yes, when you are in the setup screen, if you select a different recipe, you might not get the correct description. So this is fixed. Remove a publish later task. So this is a new button to be able to cancel a publish later. Okay. Once you have defined one, you can now remove it by clicking a button, remove, publish, adding missing snippet about its element page, okay. And this one, merge. This one is something that you wanted to demo, but it's still not here. No, I really don't care. Well, I will watch the game if there is no meeting, but that's okay. Don't worry. I'm not a fan of PSG actually. And this one. So this is what Daniel wanted to show. It's a new feature on the resource files and the resource manager. But I will let him demo that. And he's not here. He's not here. Okay, we'll see. Orchard 2. And you will see why there is no demo on Orchard 2, because not much has been done. Let's see. I can see here 7 days, layers. So yeah, minor things. So this one, improving pager theming. Let me see what I did. So I fixed some issues that Steve found about theming the pager. So I documented how you can manage the pagers, the two pager, the pager and the pager slim. And then I fixed some issues with that. So this is nothing interesting, and this is nothing interesting, just format, which actually is wrong. I need to install a plugin. Typos, this is Antoine fixing the second and third level of the admin menu. This is Nick's branch dictionary based, mvcless, a modular things, Nick, same branch. This is a fix in this branch. Chantieri, fixing bugs on the template, and we don't care. This is merging the branch for MySQL, SQLite, Postgre. This is Sergio doing some JavaScript on his branch. Merge, no, don't care. So just refactoring. And this one, though, this is the only new thing that was done. The static branch inherits from the csproj branch. It's so it's Orchard Core running on with Visual Studio 2017 as csproj files and our project.json. And this and the static based on csproj means we removed the dynamic extension loader and the precompiled extension loader. And now we just have the ambient extension loader, which means that all the modules are referenced by the web app that needs them. So this is about trying to have to not have dynamic compilation anymore in Orchard, which will simplify many things and remove some features, but features that I assume nobody almost is using, which is dynamic compilation, meaning you can drop in a module on the website and just restart it and it will be compiled and loaded. But we might still be able to do that with themes if we want to test themes online, but we won't be able to download the module from a gallery on the running service. We will have to add it to the solution, reference it, compile and run. And this is a test to see if we can create a nuget package that will contain the views and everything. So I'm just working on that right now. This is Jean-Thierry's branch to optimize something on Nick's branch. And this is Nick's work on his branch again. So we have been making a lot of progress on that. Fixes from bugs that Steve is opening. He's also fixing his bugs. And that's the latest state of the branch from Nick to modularize everything. That's it. Questions? Daniel is still not here, so he won't be able to do the demo. Topics. So right now I'm mostly busy with Harvest because it's next week. That's why there was no demo today, and because not much work on Orchard Core. Other topics, other questions, anything?
Actually, I have a question for Orchard Core. So the repo is now called Orchard 2. Should we rename it, as Orchard Core is now the official name of the project?
Rename the repository and the source code, but it's stupid to do just one and not the other, so I just wait. And we'll rename the source code only once the big PRs have been merged, because otherwise we'll break everything. And the main one that we are waiting for is Nick's one, because it's changing. It's touching almost all the projects. It did so much refactoring, so we're waiting for this one to be merged. Right now it's blocked for one small bug that we'll find, I'm sure, today, and also some performance issues with the multi-tenancy. But I have found something that might explain, so I will try also in the next hours to fix it. So yeah, I hope we can merge it before next week.
Sounds good.
And then rename everything.